Let me share with you how to make incredible fragrant and simple roasted pork belly at home. This is the perfect answer for when your family is craving a delicious barbecue meal without any fuss. Begin with a good piece of pork belly, about 400 to 500 grams. A nice balance of meat and fat is ideal for this recipe. Take your pork belly and slice it into pieces. We are aiming for slices that are about half a centimeter thick. This thickness allows the inside to stay juicy while the outside becomes perfectly crisp. Place the pork slices into a large mixing bowl. To this, add several thin slices of ginger, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce for saltiness, half a tablespoon of oyster sauce for a rich depth of flavor, and 2 tablespoons of a prepared barbecue seasoning mix. Use your hands to mix everything together thoroughly. Make sure each piece of pork is evenly coated with the marinade. Once combined, let the bowl sit at room temperature for about 30 minutes. This waiting period allows the meat to absorb all the wonderful flavors. After the pork has marinated, arrange the slices in a single layer on a baking tray, leaving a little space between each piece will help them cook evenly and become crisp all over. Lightly spray the arranged pork slices with a neutral cooking oil. This simple step helps to conduct the heat efficiently, encouraging a beautiful golden and crispy result. Place the baking tray into an oven that has been preheated to 200 degrees Celsius. Let the pork belly roast for approximately 15 minutes. When the time is up, you will be greeted by the incredible aroma of sizzling spices and roasted pork. The pork belly will have a beautifully caramelized and slightly crisp exterior. What you have created is a plate of succulent, flavor-packed roasted pork belly. It is savory with a hint of spice, rich but not greasy. It is a simple dish that feels like a special treat, granted to bring everyone to the table with a smile.